Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, my channel. Let's get straight into the look. I'm gonna go into my It's My Ray Ray palette. We're gonna just take this color. We're gonna put it in a transition area. You don't even have to if you don't want to for this look, but I felt like I just needed a little something extra, so that's what I did. The Artist Couture Diamond Lights and Spotlight Glitz is what's going to go on my lid. I'm just going to use my finger and rub it in there. It kind of dissolves, but then it's like little pearl. This is a really cool texture. It's really unique, and I really love it. You can see my stupid fat finger smeared some of it up there, but I just got a brush, that first transition. Actually, no, this is a clean brush. And I just wiped away the excess, and it came right off. I'm also just dusting away any other fallout or, debris left over. So I'm going to put on this is the Smashbox Photo Finisher Primer. I like to put this on my face and then do something else and then come back to it, let it sit for a few minutes before I put my foundation on. So I'm going to put my lashes on and then come back to concealer, do a little spot concealing, and then put on my foundation. So I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I believe this color is medium beige. So I don't know if you guys know, but last time I did use the color corrector, the red one, oh my God, I used way too much. So now I'm kind of scared to color correct. So I'm going to go back with just a lighter concealer color and try to, minimize this dark spot before I put foundation over it. Maybe I'll try again in my next video to color correct and just not use so much, but I'm a little traumatized. So anyway, this is my NYX. This is I forgot what it's called, but this is the foundation in NYX. This is dropper one. Actually, I have it right here. This is the Total Control. So just a few dots of this, and it can actually go from like a light to a full coverage depending on how much foundation you use. My color is mahogany. Y'all probably noticed, but I always use a little bit more on my dark spot I have right here on the side of my face, just to try to hide it a little bit better. It's now time to highlight. I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this shade is Toffee. And blending that out with my Real Techniques blending sponge. I have a mirror that my mom gave me for Christmas, and it sits taller up. And I'm going to pull it out because every time I use this Ricky mirror, which is awesome because it lights up, but I always cover my face. And it's so annoying because I don't realize I'm doing it until I go back and I'm editing. So now I'm going to use that. No more covering my face up with this mirror. That's unacceptable. Bad, Taryn. Bad. Time to set the concealer. Look at my fry. I use what is this? This is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And I just lightly, I don't use very much. I just like to press it into my skin because I have dry skin. It tends to leave a cast and makes me look all ashy, and that ain't good. So I just press it in, brush away the excess if there is any. And then I'm going to it's my Ray Ray contour palette, contour and eyeshadow palette. Oh, look at my baby. Oh yeah, so this day she was like a mess. She was screaming and crying. But anyway, going to the Ray Ray palette using those two dark colors. I mix them together. And then I'm going to lightly powder contour my face and highlight with that same palette. I think this is like my favorite blush. This is a Milani blush in Berries and More. I just like a gentle blush. I don't like a heavy, I don't know. I just like a kiss of blush on, so ever so lightly on my cheek. Then I'm going to use my mascara. It doesn't matter what mascara I use because I'm going to just put lashes on. And see what I'm talking about with this damn mirror? You couldn't even see me put on my damn mascara because my mirror was covering it the whole time. So let's just set my face and move on. There's my fan that my daughter broke, so I won't be using that anymore. And going to put on my lip liner and then some gloss. This lip liner is just any... No, actually, this was the matte cork lip liner. And then I was going to use a whole different ass lip gloss, but I couldn't find it. So this one is the e.l.f. and Alyssa Ashley one. And I like this one too. It's really pretty. It's like a perfect nude gloss for me. And that's the final look, everybody. I hope you like it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share this with all your homegirls and homeboys. Subscribe if that's not doing too much. It would really help a girl out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Love you so much. Mwah.